What's up, guys? It is Wednesday. We're going to show you what's going on in the shop. We'll start here at LATROBE, of course. I've been here a lot lately. Behind me is a beautiful car, probably the featured car in the shop this week, although there are a lot of awesome ones. This is a Huracan STO. This is the first STO that we've worked on at any of the locations. They're pretty new. This is like a track-focused version of the Huracan. Obviously a custom spec with the blue and the purple. Looks awesome. Interior matches the blue stripe. Really beautiful car. Raw carbon wing. Aaron's doing a full paint protection film wrap on this thing. We're ceramic coating it as well. This will be down at the Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix, not at our booth, but it will be there if you want to check it out this weekend. And up here in the front of the bay, we've got a Tesla Model 3. This is also a full paint protection film wrap. We were waiting on some touch-up paint to show up from Tesla, and that just showed up, I think, yesterday. So now it's ready to get touched up, and we can finish up the wrap. We have the full front end to do on that still. We've got a Subaru WRX STI. This car's in the process of being polished and coated. We did paint protection film on the whole front end, as well as a wear and tear package. That's what Jimmy's working on right now. And over here, we've got a Ram 1500, the e-torque. So I believe this has some sort of electronic assistance with it. This truck is getting paint correction and fusion coating. Minion's along for the ride today. And right in front of Minion, we've got a Ferrari 812 Superfast. This is the first Superfast we've had in here as well. So lots of firsts. This car is gorgeous. It needed some serious polishing work. We're going to do a whole separate video on that, but we got everything polished out. It's ceramic coated. It looks beautiful. This one is going to be at our booth at the Grand Prix this weekend. And so is this one. This is a Huracan Evo Spider. So we've done an Evo. We have not done the Spider yet. This one was fully wrapped by somebody else in XPEL Stealth. I don't know who. I don't think it was anybody local. We picked this car up in Columbus. And there's a few things that really aren't beautiful on it, so we're going to be touching up a lot of that wrap, trimming up edges here and there. There's a couple big pieces that just straight up need redone. Like these quarter panels have some weird relief cut that shouldn't be there, so we're going to go ahead and redo those, get it cleaned up, get it coated, all in the next 2 days. It's going to be some late nights. Already has been. In the tint bay, Terrell's working on a Chevy Colorado, tinting some windows on this one. Kevin, that's always here on Wednesdays, helping Terrell, and Dean are out of the shop. They're doing a pretty big residential tint job. They're tinting a sunroom to keep heat out, to keep the house more comfortable.
What's going on, guys? It's Dean and Kevin here at Blackout Tinting. Today we're tinting a house in Greensburg with all-season Intelligence 65. We'll have more updates for you on that soon. Back to you guys.
It's a beautiful day in Pennsylvania. John says we always have a beautiful day in Pennsylvania. Outside we've got an Aston Martin. This one, I always get these confused. DB11, the headrest told me. Polishing out something on the quarter panel. I guess something ran into the car or something. And then we're installing some paint protection film over that area. And this one's a new one for Mr. Barbish, I believe. Pretty sure he dropped it off while I was at lunch. This one's getting window tint. Beautiful new F450. And a Mustang Mach-1. This one got the windows tinted. And it's getting, I want to say coated or some sort of quick coating. Trying to get that one back to him pretty quickly. And then a Jeep Wagoneer. We just finished coating this one at the end of the day yesterday, so it's out while we're moving some stuff around. It is ready to go home today or tomorrow. Over here in the middle of the bay, Jimmy's jumping around. He's doing finishing the wear and tear on this before we do a ceramic coating. So this Silverado got paint protection film on the whole front end as well as the wear and tear. We like to wait to do pieces of the wear and tear till after the polishing is done, and then we do that, and then it gets ceramic coated. So Dodge Challenger RT, this one was in for just the paint correction. The paint on that one was pretty rough. Lots of micro scratches and swirl marks. Looks great now. And out front, we've got a C8 Corvette. Lots of cool cars, lots of cool colors today. This one got window tint this morning, thanks to Terrell. We have a McLaren Mp412c. So this one, you might remember from a few months back, it had paint protection film on it that we did not install. We removed it. The car was painted from somebody else, not factory. Ripped a lot of paint off. That happens sometimes with aftermarket paint if it's not cured properly before you install film. So the customer has since gotten it repaired, and now it is back for us to replace film. So we're going to be doing the doors, the whole front end, and I believe the rocker panels on this one. So lots going on here at LATROBE. I know Pittsburgh's just as busy, and Miami's pretty darn close too, so check those ones out.
What's up, guys? It is Wednesday, so let's check out what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. Outside we have this C7Z06. This is a completed job. It got full front paint protection film on the entire front bumper, the hood, the fenders, and the mirrors. In the showroom, we have this Mercedes-Benz GLS. This is a completed job. It got almost a full front PPF. It got the front bumper, the hood, the fenders, and the A-pillars done in the Ultimate Plus paint protection film. topped off with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up for a full front PPF and window tint job is this 2022 BMW M3 competition. This is going to get the entire front bumper, which is a pretty intricate front bumper, done in the paint protection film, along with the full hood, the 2 front fenders, and the mirror caps. We're also going to be doing our XPEL Prime CS 20% tint on all the side windows and the back window. Next up for a full paint correction is this 2015 F250. This black paint has seen better days. There's a lot of micro swirls and scratches on this, which you really can't see in the camera, but under an LED light, you can kind of see them right there. It does need about a 3-step paint correction on the entire vehicle, and it'll be looking like a mirror after Mark's done with it towards the end of this week. Over here, we got Mark working on this GMC Acadia Denali. This is in for a full paint correction along with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we have Isaac and Brandon working on this 2015 Volkswagen GTI. This is getting our XPEL Prime CS 20% tint on all the side windows and the back window. In the back, we have a full wrap in progress. This is a 2022 Volvo XC90 getting a full Ultimate Plus paint protection film wrap. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's going on, everybody? It's Wednesday, so let's see what we have going on in the shop this week. All right, so taking a walk back into the shop, we have the Lamborghini Murcielago. This one is actually going home today. It's all completed. It got the full XPEL 10mm Ultimate Plus wrap, followed by a XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. We coated all the PPF, all the glass, as well as the wheels, which looks so much better. We took them off, did a deep cleaning on them, and coated the face barrel, the back of the spokes, as well as the brake calipers. Just take a look at how shiny and reflective this car is. So this car also received the XPEL Fusion Plus interior coating as well. So we did a deep clean on the full interior and coated everything inside as well. So this vehicle is protected inside and out. All right, and then over here we have 3 Tesla Model Ys. Each of these are getting something differently. So we'll start with this red one. So this red one is receiving, this is a Model Y Performance. This one is getting our track package. So we're doing the full front clip, the rocker panels down here, as well as a piece behind the rear wheel, which is on there already. We are also doing a wear and tear, so it's getting the luggage area done, all 4 door sills, as well as the door handles done as well. You can actually see that they're already on there. And once we are done with all of the paint protection film on this, it is getting the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. This red looks absolutely awesome inside. So next up on the board to get washed and prepped is the gray Model Y Performance. This one just got our XR Plus tint the whole way around. So we did the front driver and passenger windows in XR Plus 20%. Then the rest of the vehicle, including the sunroof and the windshield, is completed with the XR Plus 70%. So once we get this thing all washed up, this one is also getting our full front clip package. So we're doing the full hood, the full front fenders, the bumper, the headlights, fog lights, and the mirrors and mirror stocks. And then we're also going to be doing a piece right here, because this is an area on Teslas that get beat up a lot. So we're gonna give this customer some protection on this vehicle. And then lastly, this Tesla Model Y is the long range, and this one got a lot of PPF as well. This one got our full track package again, so we did the full front clip as well as the rocker panels. And this customer also decided to go ahead with the A-pillars as well. So we did basically here up to right here. So you can barely tell it. I don't know how well the camera can pick it up. But he has the A-pillars protected as well. Believe it or not, this Tesla has over 30,000 miles on it, and it looks incredible so far. So we're also going to be doing a full paint correction and a XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on this vehicle as well. So that's all that we have going on this week at all of our locations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to catch us next week.